Punjab is an election-bound state, and with heightened political activity, today has been also a day of press conferences from Navjot Singh Sidhu, also Bhagwant Mann of the Aam Aadmi Party speaking. We've had Aam Aadmi Party consistently been trying to gain ground in the election-bound state, and of course other parties, whether it is the Congress leading with regard to charges, Bikram Singh Majithia, is a controversy, and of course the bail has also gained much ground in the election-bound state. Today I'm joined by Raghav Chadha. He is the co-in charge of the Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab. In many ways, he's also sort of leading the campaign in the past few days. So, Raghav, my first question would be, of course, because you have been there in Punjab for a while now, but you come from Delhi. Recently, there was also an untoward incident, so to say, that happened with you. What exactly happened in Jalandhar? Let's just start with that. Of course, the political opponents used it to attack you. Within the party, it appeared. Is there an internal revolt? Is the Aam Aadmi Party selling tickets to the wrong people? You were in the middle of that. What happened, Raghav?
You've known me for so many years, Pooja. Some of us have left our flourishing careers to come and clean Indian politics, to actually extract politics from this dirty, mess that it's submerged in. And as far as that Jalandhar incident is concerned, we have more than 1 crore members of the Aam Aadmi Party Punjab. Out of those, only 117 can contest elections because only 117 seats are there in the state of Punjab. So those who were aspiring for a ticket could not get a ticket, of course, felt bad, and they were angry, they were upset. And two rival factions of a particular seat in Jalandhar got together, and they sort of had a fight among themselves. That scuttle that broke out was happening on the ground floor. I was on the first floor. The propaganda machinery of the BJP and the Congress started projecting as if I am in the middle of the fight, as if I am being, caused physical harm or hurt. Though I was on the first floor doing a press conference, I answered all the queries of my friends from the media. After that, I quietly left, and that's pretty much it. It shows three things. Number one, it is only yes. I'll tell you.
You didn't leave like that.
No. I left through the main gate. Number one. Number two, the most important point is it is only that political party. It is only that political party that is actually winning the election, that has a wave in the state for whose ticket there will be some sort of competition. Have you seen any person in Punjab saying, I want a ticket of the BJP from Samrala, or I want a ticket of the BJP from Talwandi Sabo, or I want a ticket of the BJP from Lehra, or I want to fight on a BJP election ticket from Chamkaur Sahab or Banga? Simply because BJP stands nowhere. Congress doesn't stand anywhere. It is only and only the Aam Aadmi Party which is a winning horse in this Punjab election, and therefore everyone wants to ride this horse, and therefore it's but natural that there will be some sort of displeasure among those people who are denied the right to contest in the year 2022. But it is our party. We have met all those people. All those people were called. They had a lovely conversation with all of us. We served chai to them. We spoke to them. They're our family. वो सब मान गए, बात खत्म हो गई. But BJP and Congress are trying to, play it up as if, oh my God, Aam Aadmi Party is in a complete state of disarray. Mega violence has broke out.
Tickets are being sold. That your process is very transparent for the Aam Aadmi Party, not going to wrong candidates.
That, Hindi mein, I would like to say this so that you understand this and you listen to this correctly and your viewers understand this, which is कि वो रकम अभी तक नहीं बनी और वो इंसान अभी तक पैदा नहीं हुआ जो राघव चड्ढा को या अरविंद केजरीवाल को खरीद ले.
Okay, big words there, Raghav. So, because Arvind Kejriwal is, of course, the big face of the party, he's the chief minister, he's the national convener, and with regard to Delhi, he's the one. But for Punjab, the question was asked to Bhagwant Mann as well. You are this young, bright face. Am I speaking to right now, if the Aam Aadmi Party wins, or even during the elections, the chief ministerial front runner, a candidate of the Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab?
No, you're getting it all wrong. I may hail from the state of Punjab. I am not contesting the upcoming 2022 elections. I have no desire to contest the upcoming 2022 elections. My party doesn't want me to contest the 2022 elections. We will announce a Sikh face as our chief minister. We will announce somebody who can be called the Aan Ban Shan of Punjab as our CM face. And very soon we will announce the name of that particular individual.
When can we expect that, Raghav? Are we looking at it after elections, before elections? Because many are speculating if it will be Bhagwant Mann or someone else.
Well, I can't, dive deep into as to who would be that particular individual. I would only say that you won't be disappointed when we reveal that name. Let's wait for a bit, and very soon, since now the Model Code of Conduct has been put in force, the elections are almost a month away. We will very soon, very shortly, announce a chief ministerial face. Now, while I am very confidently as the co-in-charge for my party in the state of Punjab can say that yes, we will announce a chief ministerial face. My question to Akali Dal as well as the Congress party is, will they announce a CM face? It's but natural that there is a lot of curiosity among my friends in the media as well as in the people of Punjab as to who will be that person from the Aam Aadmi Party who will be declared as the CM face. I understand the curiosity simply because that particular individual is going to be the next chief minister, because Aam Aadmi Party is winning every opinion poll. But nobody is asking as to who will be the Congress's chief minister face. Nobody is interested as to who will be the Akali Dal CM face.
There is a speculation. So of course, because you've been campaigning there, how do you look at your opponents? Because Sidhu and Channi, Sidhu specifically is gaining ground with a lot of issues of drug abuse and whether it is corruption and other points. So is Akali Dal. So is, of course, the captain with the support of the Bharatiya Janata Party. How are you looking at your opponents, Navjot Singh Sidhu, Charanjit Singh Channi, the captain, and of course, Akalis as well?
I'll tell you, see, the mood in Punjab is, and I'm saying this after extensively touring the state as a political activist for the last 1 year, is that there is a mood for change. In the last 50 years, the Akali Dal has run the administration of Punjab for almost 24 years. And the Congress has run the administration in Punjab for almost 26 years. 24 plus 26 is 50 long years. People are fed up of them. People are fed up of their corruption, the loot, and the malgovernance that has been offered to them. And they're yearning for change. They have hope in the Kejriwal model of governance. They have hope in the promises made by Arvind Kejriwal. And Arvind Kejriwal is perhaps the only politician in Punjab that enjoys credibility and his words matter. And therefore, there is a mood of...
Arvind Kejriwal is not from Punjab. So the parachute candidates is going to be a problem for Aam Aadmi Party, isn't it?
No. He may not be from the state of Punjab, but people of Punjab love him. They consider Arvind Kejriwal as their own brother, as their own son, as a member of their own family. That's point number one. Point number two, across Punjab, and I'm pretty sure closer to the election day, you will also be traveling across Punjab, and you will notice that people say only one thing. Those who even dislike the Aam Aadmi Party also say, "Ik mauka Kejriwal." Let's give them one chance. Let's try them at least. These are those who dislike us. And those who like us, who want to see change, are, of course, not only saying, but actively campaigning, is war ek mauka Kejriwal.
All right, ek mauka Kejriwal, whether it will be like a Delhi surprise of just about a few years ago of 2013, or will there be perhaps an expected candidate in Punjab? But wishing you all the very best, Raghav Chadha. Thank you so much for speaking to India today.
Thank you so much, Pooja.